RBI on Monday announced its fourth bi-monthly monetary policy review. What's special about this credit policy review is that this is the first time that the decision on key interest rates will be taken through the Monetary Policy Committee framework, or the MPC. Additionally, this is the first policy review of the new RBI Governor Urjit Patel, who took over reins from Raghuram Rajan in early September. All eyes are on the six-member committee to see if they go in line with market expectations and cut the repo rate by 25 basis points. If RBI and the MPC indeed decide to cut rates, it would provide a big push to consumption ahead of the festive season, with consumers getting more purchasing power in the form of lower EMIs. The MPC is working with an inflation target of 4% ±2%. With a reasonable monsoon behind us, inflation is expected to come down further, and this should allow the MPC some room for the rate cut. Track this space as we bring you the latest from the RBI and new Governor Urjit Patel's first policy under the MPC. Check out the live updates of RBI Monetary Policy Review here. 02:57 p.m. Worldwide senses that neutral rates are going down. Need to take into account global situation for determining neutral rate, says RBI Governor. 02:56 p.m. D.K. Srivastava, Chief Policy Advisor, India says, with improved food output prospects and falling CPI, the RBI has found policy space to actively support growth in the Indian economy by a 25 basis point reduction in the repo rate. The last downward revision happened in April 2016 when the repo rate was brought down from 6.75% to 6.50%. Both the repo rate reduction and comfortable liquidity conditions should lead to a tangible increase in credit growth, thereby improving growth prospects in the second quarter of FY17. 02:55 p.m. The easy liquidity conditions engendered by the Reserve Bank's operations should also enable the smooth transmission of the policy action through various market segments. Furthermore, banks should find added impetus for better transmission by the recent downward adjustment in small savings rates. RBI allows startups to raise up to $3 million per year from overseas market, RBI. 02:53 p.m. Discussions of MPC were frank, often intense and friendly, Urjit Patel. 02:51 p.m. Must be vigilant against emergence of cost push pressures. Will continue to move towards neutral liquidity, no change in stance, says RBI Governor Patel. He also added, growth in EU remains uncertain, also face overhang of U.S. elections. We'll watch out for outcome of U.S. presidential elections. 02:50 p.m. For the first time in a long time, weak global demand is going to bring down trade volume. IMF may further downgrade global growth. I will be surprised if it doesn't take place. MPC members will enhance process and quality of policy making, says Patel.